Hey, this is Art with OCRV Center in Yorba Linda. We're in our heated downdraft spray booth. This spray booth is 70 feet long. This is a 42-foot Class A diesel pusher that's sitting in here right now. It had some front end collision damage. It was banged up pretty good, but it pretty much stayed on the cap, which is good. So we've got the first color on it, and getting ready to do the second. No, we got two colors. We got the gray and the brown metallic on there. So they've got it all wrapped up and putting the base coat on it. Then we'll do the finish colors on it and clear coat it, and then peel it off and pull it out of the booth and color sand and polish it. Put the clear bra back on it and deliver it to the customer. You can walk around the back here. You see that we have plenty of room in the shop to paint the other parts too. This paint booth is massive. So we got plenty of room back here to spray the hood off as well, because it's just a single color. So if you've got any body and paint work that you need done on your motorhome, Sprinter van, please come see us at OCRV Center and get it done right. Tell me where you're gonna find a spray booth like this in any paint body shop. These guys spray in the parking lot, in the building. So we do it right here. So come see us and get it done right at OCRV Center.